Today, we are honored to present a 1,100 kilowatts parallel generator set customized for our Philippine clients. The solution has 3 core advantages to accurately address local needs: intelligent temperature control, remote control of the cooling system to ensure stable operation in tropical conditions, space optimization, integrated base tank, release more effective space, powerful performance, powered by Cummins KTA50-G12 engine, delivering robust power output. Interested? Please don't hesitate to contact us.